So Maïs, you can share your screen.
Okay. All right, let me know when you can see the screen.
Okay. So what do you think we can pass to the assert raises, Moise?
So, would we divide something by 0?
Yes, it is possible. So in between assert raises, when you pass assert raises actually, when you put it like that, you have to put here a name of what? Exception name. So I showed to you a while ago, we have value error as a
Oh, yeah.
built-in exception, division by 0 exception, and it
Mhm.
only takes one parameter.
Okay.
And we say self dot, and we say here with.
With self dot.
Yes.
Okay, so it just takes one parameter.
It take one parameter is the name of the exception that you want to test for.
Okay.
So you are telling, I want to test that the method that I designed is able to handle division by 0 or even a value error.
Okay.
Okay, so in this case, if you look at the function definition for the division, have a look please at it.
Yeah.
It's raising what? It's raising value error.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's also possible to use a division by 0 error. It's possible, but in this case, we only raise value error.
Okay. Oh.
So when you write this line, under it, you try to run your command. So it means that this should be moved here under our line.
This would be like this.
Yes.
Okay. Just like okay. And just like this then?
Yeah, you can try to run, yes.
Okay.
So what do you think the error is?
This is also using this.
So first, value error does not have, so he doesn't recognize, so here, the problem here is that he doesn't recognize that the two brackets here. So remove value error, just come here without the brackets.
Okay.
Okay. Try to run.
Okay.
So it run. So
Yeah.
you know why it runs without an error?
Because it was raised, right?
So yes, it is because you already write a proper division, and
Proper, yeah.
you already raise
Because you give like an example and then you give like what kind of error it's supposed to.
expected to raise.
Yeah.
And once it see that it raise it, so it means that you have done
So
your job.
actually, think about it, it's similar to the assert equal because we're just
Exactly.
we're making like the solution equal to the problem or something like that.
Yes, 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 exactly. It's the same concept.
Yeah,
We
makes
are turning around in the same circle, actually.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So okay, that's good. Would you like another example of unit testing, or how? Are you
Uh,
satisfied?
I think we're good for today. I need to sleep early to wake up for tomorrow too.
Okay, that's good. Fine.
Okay.
Okay. You don't need a
Okay.
revision on the priority queue, or it's fine like that.
I think I should be good.
Okay, good. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Take care then, Moaz.
All right, then I
Oh,
will reach out to you and then we can talk again soon too.
sure, sure. Take care then. Okay.
Okay.
All the best for you.
All right. Thank you.
Bye
All
bye.
right.
Take care.